my resume was all over the place because before I was working in advertising, I was actually living in Japan for about 7 years. So when I look back, I don't regret anything, but I feel like, oh, if someone looks at my resume, it's messy. It's all over the place. It's like a year here, then they said, no, we're not renewing your visa. You need to go somewhere else, you know? So I needed like professional help in crafting a resume that I felt like told my story in a way that felt more holistic, that I felt like, okay, I've lived, many different work lives, and I needed help in crafting a narrative that showed that in the most positive way. So I think Rezi really helped with that. Um, I think the fact, knowing that nowadays a lot of recruiters go through sort of a system with like an internal tracking that they might not even see your resume at all. So it's not enough to say, oh, if only they knew, that I can do X, Y, Z, I can wear many hats. It doesn't matter if they never see it. Uh, so trying to, I feel like Rezi was really good in showing the keywords and tracking of like, this is what's going to make it. So a recruiter will actually, a human will actually see it. I think that's huge. And so far, I feel like, yeah, it's really helped in crafting different sorts of resumes because I'm still not entirely sure how to leverage my different experiences. So really, I feel like the software helps me take the job posting and the keywords there, take my experience and sort of really meet in the middle and synthesize something in the best way.